Are you looking to make extra income? AI can help. Today, we'll explore 3 simple side hustles. Each one is beginner-friendly. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about YouTube automation. Create videos without showing your face. You can use AI to generate scripts and voiceovers. This way, you can focus on content creation. It's a fantastic way to share your passion. Next up, freelancing. Offer AI-based services like writing and editing. Many businesses seek help in these areas. You can use AI tools to enhance your work. This means faster delivery and better results. Lastly, consider selling digital products. Create and sell templates, ebooks, or designs. AI can help you generate ideas and content. This side hustle allows you to earn passive income while you sleep. These methods are accessible for beginners. You can start today and increase your income. Remember, the journey begins with a single step. To recap, we discussed YouTube automation, freelancing, and selling digital products. Each offers a unique way to utilize AI for income. Ready to start your AI side hustle? Subscribe for more tips and insights.